Facing issues with notifications not working on your iPhone after the iOS 18 update? It can be frustrating when you're missing important alerts. Don't worry, there are simple fixes to get your notifications back on track. Follow these easy steps and you will have everything working again in no time. Let's dive in and fix it. Before you start, make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb mode, turn off low power mode, turn off silent mode. Solution 1. Check lock screen notification settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Notifications, tap Show Previews, select Always. Go back, select the app with missing notifications. This can be WhatsApp, Message or Instagram. For me, I'll select WhatsApp. Make sure to enable Allow Notifications. Ensure that lock screen is toggled on under Alerts. Make sure Show Previews is set to Always or When Unlocked. Now tap on WhatsApp notification settings. Make sure to enable all the important settings from here. Exit settings and check if the lock screen notifications are now appearing. Solution 2. Enable background app refresh. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Background App Refresh, tap Background App Refresh again. Select Wi-Fi and cellular data. Solution 3. Update or reinstall affected apps. Open the App Store, tap your profile picture at the top right corner. Scroll down to check for pending app updates. If the app with notification settings has an update, tap Update. If the app doesn't work, uninstall the app and reinstall it from the App Store. These steps should help fix the notification issues on your iOS 18 update. Let me know if they work for you or if you need more help.